Today we are doing the first official track day, start time on the track.
Today we're doing a proper track day.
Basically what we're doing is more of a training before we start the championship. The championship we are starting in a month's time.
It's a very interesting track because it has a couple of sharp corners, but we're hoping the tires will be sticky enough to hold through the corners. But looking forward to a fun day, putting in the best time.
My first time on the track, so I know the boys are going to beat me.
The reason we're doing this on the track is because of safety. We are done with people riding on the road and getting themselves messed up. Everyone's chasing me. Everyone wants to beat my time, and I think today is gonna be really competitive. A few new guys on the track for the first time. A few guys have been here more than once, and the best thing about today, no one has traction control.
But definitely he's quicker. There's also an element of fatigue. Just to show you how much a millisecond. Oh, that was a good one. Risky for Keith. Doc is definitely going to be faster through the corner. As you come to the home stretch. As you come to the home stretch. And if you look at this, definitely look at the riding style. I mean, this is definitely outbreaking, but it's
today has been a very successful day. I'm so proud of the guys who participated today. We had like 6 bikes in the truck, and all of them did well. Unfortunately, Styles had to back off and get off the truck, but the others completed it so well. I'm proud of Doc's time. We're getting guys doing so well. Times are being beaten, and the other upcoming people also making good records. So like Pete did a very good job today. So
fantastic day, yeah. Seeing how we're doing things here. Very safe. Pushing the truck to the limit. Getting excited about future times to come. The times are coming down very fast. It's only the 3rd time that we've been here, and already becoming very exciting. So all I want to tell you guys is, guys, come. Today we did this charity cause for the Angel Center for abandoned children. So that's our charity for today. The championship is coming. The times are gonna drop for sure. And just to keep you guys going.